Alright, so here we are on the home page of the back admin section of the website. What I want to do is I want to first show you what the websites actually look like so you have an idea, and then I'll go back into this section and show you how the websites actually work. Alright, so here we are on the Cheap REI Deals website. Now this website is what you would use to build your buyers list. Now everything about this website is completely customizable. You can customize all the text anywhere on here, any pictures, you can add videos. You can basically customize anything that you want on the website to make it your own website and make it completely personal to you. So this is the website that you get to help build your buyers list. And here's the website that you get to actually have motivated sellers contact you. There's all kinds of great copy already on the website. There's going to sell your home form. Once they click the Get Started button, they're actually taken to a second page where they're able to enter in a lot more information. There's an About Us page, which talks about your company. There's a Frequently Asked Questions page. And like I said, every single bit about this is completely customizable. You can change all the font. You can change all the text, anything you want. There's a Contact Us page, which is where you'd put your own information in here. And at any point in time on all the pages, they can fill out the Sell Your Home form, and that'll be emailed directly to you and also get stored in the database. So what I want to do now is I want to show you the website back end and kind of show you how it's all designed. This is the training section. There is 24-hour support if you ever have any questions about that. There's a phone number to call in as well as an email address. We've got a FAQ section which talks about how you can choose your domain name, how you can forward your domain name to here. So for instance, if you want your own customizable domain name, you just want to pick your own domain, you can just forward it over there. Then we've got training videos. There's tons of training videos that show you how to do everything, walk you through all the steps. The best thing about these websites is that they are literally bulletproof. There's nothing that you can do to hurt them, and I'm going to show you here in a little bit. Everything is so simple, even a 5-year-old could operate it. So what I want to do is I want to show you this panel right up here to the top, which is the navigation, which shows you how to navigate through the back end. And I'm going to show you how to actually customize the content on the websites. So this is the home page right here, and if you ever want to come back, all you do is you hit the home page. You've got the websites tab, which breaks down your websites, and this is where you actually go to edit the pages. So it's really simple. Your profile, and this is where you would enter in all your information. And then you've got your leads here, which you've got the property leads. These are the ones where people fill out the Sell My Home Now form. And then you've got your contacts, which are your buyers list, and you can actually manage these contacts, and you can edit and delete them. You can send them out emails. You can do anything you want with those, which is really nice. So again, this is very simple, very easy to use. So let's go ahead and look at the first website, which is cheapreideals.com, and I'll show you how you can actually edit this website and how it's so simple. So as you can see, we are logged into the back end right here, and you can see this looks kind of like Microsoft Word, where you can edit almost like a Word document. Now if we go back over here to the actual website, you'll see where it says great investor deals for pennies on the dollar. Secret confession, I have discovered a new way to secure endless supply of cheap local houses for pennies on the dollar. If we go back, you'll see the exact same information right here where you can edit it. So for instance, let's say you want to edit it and you want to change the color of this. You'd come right up here, just like in Microsoft Word, you can change the color. We'll change it to yellow. Then what you do is you come down here and you click Save the Page. We'll go back over here to the website. And as you can see, the color has been changed. It's now yellow when it was red. So if, let's say for instance, we want to add some content here, we can just add some content here. We'll just type in test content. And what we'll do is we'll go ahead and scroll down and we'll save that page. We'll go back, we'll hit refresh, and you can see here it's added the test content. So it's very easy to modify. And one of the coolest things that we designed this website for is to make it so simple to use. If for some reason you screw it up, and the reason I say these websites are so bulletproof is because you see this link right here where it says Get Default Content. Watch what it does. It takes you back to the original content that is entered into the website. Now if we want to do the same down here, we would just click that, and as you can see it goes back to red. We scroll down, we click Save Page. If we go back to the website, we refresh it, all of our changes have gone back to the original. So it's very simple to use. There's really no way to mess anything up because you can always go back to the original content. So let's go through and talk about some other things that can be done. Now, for instance, we can bold, we can italicize, we can underline, just like you can in Microsoft Word. We can change the different kind of headings. We can change the actual font style if we want to. We can change how big we want the actual font. You can make it large like that. And then if you don't like that, you can always go back to the default content. So it's so simple to use, so simple to modify. There's really no way to hurt these websites. Now, what I want to do is I want to go through and I actually want to show you how to do some more kind of custom modifications. Let's say you want to personalize it with some images. You want to upload a logo maybe, or if you want to even add some video, I'm going to show you how you can actually do that. So first, let's go ahead and add an image. So what we do is we just click the add image, and a pop-up box is going to appear here where we can actually upload an image if we want to. For instance, I've already got one already uploaded, so we'll go ahead and add that. It's just a little sold sign. Now if we want, we can modify the size of it, we can modify anything about this image, or we can actually just go ahead and click insert, and we can modify the image inside here if we want to make it a little bit smaller, just like you could in Microsoft Word. So for example, we'll do that. We'll go ahead and click Save Page. Now, of course, I know this is not how you probably would want your website to look, but this is just an example. There you go. We've added the sold sign in there. So let's go back, and let's say you want to actually add a video. All you have to do to add a video is, let's say, for example, we want to add a video. Let's say we want to get rid of this right here, and we want to put a video in right there. Let's go ahead and I'll show you how to do that real quick. So for example, we'll go ahead and we'll delete all the content in here. And again, you can play around with this as much as you want, because you can always go back to the get default content and never have any problems. So let's go ahead and add our video in here. As you can see right here, we can add insert media, which is video. You would scroll down here for, let's say, a YouTube video. We'd be able to pick our size. We'll go ahead and just put our source code in right here. Okay, the next step is to go over to YouTube, and we'll get our video. Let's go ahead, and this is just one that I've got open. It's not going to definitely match or anything like that, but it will be a good video we can use. Let me scroll down and actually get the embed options. You click on embed, and what you do is you can pick and choose what size video you want. For this one, we'll use a small one, so we'll just do that. We'll copy the content. We'll go back over here. We'll just click paste. What we'll do is we'll click insert, and let's go ahead and just save that and see what it looks like. Alright, so here's the website right now. I'm going to refresh it. There we go. We've added a video in. Now there's definitely, some more stuff we can do. You probably wouldn't want this large of a video. You can go back in YouTube and get different settings if you want. You can customize a width and a height, or you can even go smaller. So there's lots of different things that you can do. But you basically just added a video here to this website. So again, it's completely customizable. Let's go back. We'll go ahead and get the default content. Put everything back to normal. We'll go ahead and save the page, and we'll check it one last time. Alright, so it's back to normal. Now, this website is exactly the same. If we wanted to modify this website, you just go back to websites, you go to Easy Cash Buyers, and you choose what page you actually want to modify, since this one has multiple pages. Of course, you're going to edit all this text, and then when you're done, you just save the page just like normal. And then your website is complete. So that really is really simple. I want to talk a little bit about how your leads are stored and how you can kind of manage some of your leads. So let's go ahead and take a look at that right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here to where it says leads and contacts, and I'm going to first click on my property leads. Now these are the leads that are entered in when someone decides to sell their home, and they click right here, get started, and they enter in their information. So what happens is it's stored right here. You'll see the address, which you can click on, and then the information pops up. Now, as you can see, this is the initial information right here. And then once they click get started, they go to a second page where they enter in all their other information about the actual property, so you can view it all. And it also actually sends you an email to let you know that you have a new lead, so you can come in here and check this. All right. So that's how you basically keep track of all of your leads there. We can go back here, and what we'll do is I'll show you how you can manage your buyers list contacts. So for instance, on cheapreideals.com, if someone wants to fill out this form and wants to join your buyers list, everything can be stored right here. You just go to leads, contacts, manage contacts, and as you can see, we've already got one in here. You can edit them if they want to, say if they email you and want everything to be done to a different website, you can do that, or if you want to name them something different. If you don't want them to be on your email list, you can delete them. So let's just show you how easy it really is to send out an email. You can just click their name. It's going to auto-populate their name in there. You can carbon copy somebody, blind copy somebody if you want to. You enter in the subject line, and then you enter in the HTML copy that you want to put in the email. This is where you can put video and also links and also pictures if you want. Now, not everybody has HTML email, so you can also make a plain text email, which goes out. You can send a test email to yourself to see how it looks, and then whenever you're ready, you just click Send Email Now, and that'll go out to them. Now, for example, if you want to just send out a broadcast email to everybody on your buyers list, you just click Leads, Contacts. You go to your contacts, and you click Send Mail. As you can see here, it's got all of your leads. You can hide all the addresses so not everybody knows that it's a mass email. And then you just fill it out and create it like a normal email. You can send out a test yourself to see what it looks like. And then when you're ready, you can send out just a full-blown email. So it's so cool and so simple to actually use. There's really no way to mess this up. So again, this is basically just the website that you'll actually get. And if you have any questions, you can always go to the homepage. You can contact support at any point in time. We're always here 24 hours a day to answer any questions that you might have.